How to create a portfolio website on Google Sites. You can create a free portfolio website on Google Sites by first signing in with your Google account on Google Sites. And then in here, you can go ahead and select a template. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click on this template gallery to view all of the available templates you can use for your website. So since what you want to do is to create a portfolio website, go ahead and select a portfolio type of website in here. So for example, I want to use this photo portfolio under small business. Simply click on it and this will take you into the editing section. So in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and name this portfolio by clicking on the top left of your screen. So for example, I want this to be named as personal portfolio. I'll simply enter that into the section, and then you can go ahead and add the logo into the section. So since what you want to do is a portfolio website, you can go ahead and add in here your logo. And then you can go ahead and customize more of this page, such as changing the photos on each of these elements that you can find in here. You can go ahead and edit the footer, such as add in your email address, phone number, social media handle. And then once you're done with your portfolio website, you can go ahead and click on publish at the top right to publish this. So you can go ahead and customize your web address. So go ahead and create a web address for your personal portfolio that you've created on Google Sites, and then go ahead and click on publish at the bottom right. And that is how you can basically create a portfolio website on Google Sites.